We all know AI. We all know its vibe. We all know what's going on. AI is taking over the world or taking over something. I don't know. And it's everywhere. But while I think that it's really cool and really helpful and it could be a real utility, it creates this unique style. Like this is very much the AI art style. We know that now. What it does is it creates an opportunity for designers to be more heritage, to be more analog, to be more throwback, to be more vintage. And that's why we're seeing it, to be more hand-drawn, to have a more physical experience, a more analog experience. I don't know why I'm doing that, but that's the physical analog experience motion. It's the opposite of AI. You see my hands? Because if I was AI right now, I'd have like 3 extra fingers and an arm coming out of my back pocket. It's gotten better, to be honest. AI, I think we're gonna see it start to incorporate more in a realistic way. And so I'm actually gonna rate the AI art, the AI vibe as a keeper, because I think it's gonna work. I think it's something that we can use.